Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a southern coastal highway. On the left is the dual carriageway. This is a section from Harborview to Yalos. Now look at this. This is the sidewalk right beside the road. That is the road. This is where people have to walk. And look at how they have left the state of this road. Now recently, this road was opened. It had a grand opening. The Prime Minister came, opened the road. But the opposition did not attend because they said they were not attending because the road was not safe. Now, the roadway to drive on is fine. But this is the sidewalk. Now, a car could probably, if the car came off the road, it would drop into this. But this is more a hazard for people that have to walk on the road. And you have to ask yourself a question. Why did they leave it like this? Couldn't they have put up something to block off the road so that everybody knows this is a dangerous area? Sorry, not the road, the sidewalk. This just seems very dangerous. A child could be walking and accidentally drop over into this ditch. There is the sidewalk. Guys, what do you think? Could they do something like this in, say, the US or Canada or England? If you live outside of Jamaica, let us know if this is how it's done in other countries. Because I'm very surprised that they left. Look at this. This is a sidewalk. This is a sidewalk. You're walking along. Suppose it's night. Suppose it's raining. I mean, we'll talk about sidewalk on a highway in another video. But look at this. This is bad. But where we go further down now, the section that we showed at the beginning, you see we have to literally go into the road to walk by here now. Now that's a drain. So guys, let us know what you think about this. And then this is the section where the video started. We're just showing you how you walk down to it. Nothing preventing somebody from accidentally walking over. If you're on your phone and you're walking on this road and you don't see this, that's it. I think more could be done in terms of securing this area so that somebody doesn't accidentally walk over here. It's literally in the walkway. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.